Hey Jessica, it's Chad here at Alcohol Mitsubishi. Just wanted to make you that quick video about the 2016 BMW X5. Kind of give you a walk around of the car. First I'm going to start with the outside of it, and then I'll get to the interior of it, starting at the back and then working my way to the front. Go through all the features this car has, answer some of those questions you asked me about earlier, and go from there. So as I said, this is the 2016 BMW X5. Now this is in the xDrive 35i. The xDrive just means that it's an all-wheel drive version. Now, this car has 52,674 miles on it. Now, this color, I know it might be hard to tell in the video, this is called the Imperial Blue Metallic. And if I get closer, you'll see just how nice that color is. See if we can, there it is, kind of tell there. Super nice color. And the interior of it is an even nicer color. It is called the Dakota leather package. Let's see if I can show you that. Really nice mocha. You can see that in the sun there, especially there in the back seats. Really sharp. And like I said, I'll come back to the back, or come back to the interior here in just a second. Okay. Now, this car does have everything from the premium package, driver assistance package, has navigation, has heads-up display, has heated seats like you asked for, power tailgate, park distance control, all that kind of stuff. As you see on the outside of it, there's no dents on it, no dings. So a few little scratches on it. For instance, let me see if I can show you. Right here, you can see a little scratch from where somebody is probably loading something in. Other than that, really good condition. Obviously the rims have a little bit of curb rash on them. Let me show you that. You can see right here up on the edges there from people parked too close to the curb. Other than that, the rims are in really good condition. It's not even on the whole thing, just a little bit of it. But the tires are in great condition. Now let's go ahead and hop inside. I'm show you the back of it first. Figure out how to get back there. When you do get back here, you notice you have a ton of space. Absolutely massive trunk, as I'm sure you already know. Of course, you have that guy there to slide to protect all of your things back here. Go ahead and close this back up. I believe you get, even more additional storage down there. Really nice. Once again, like I said, it is power, so push that button. You'll notice that these lights are LED as well. They just light up a little bit faster response time. You'll also notice on the car you have the smart entry system. So as long as you have your keys on you, you can lock the car, unlock the car, and start the car, and never need to get your keys out of your pocket. Now, stepping into the side or inside of this car, you notice you have this really nice dark wood trimming that's carried across the back seats and the front, as we'll notice in a second. Door speakers, I actually get two of them right there as part of the Harman audio system. Really nice audio. Nice door sill there. Once again, this really nice Dakota colored leather interior. Center armrest here with cup holders and a little bit of additional storage. Really nice. Of course, your backseat occupants also get not only one climate control back here, they actually get a dual automatic climate control for the rear. Of course, some plugins back here. Another awesome thing about this car, if you can see in here, really nice big panoramic sunroof. Really brings a lot of light under the inside of the car, makes the car feel much bigger, much more spacious. Really nice feature. Looking at the mirrors here, you'll notice that these are going to be, you can dim the mirrors so there's bright headlights behind you. They're not going to blind you. There also are defogging. Of course, you have your turn signals in there so people know when you're turning. Another really cool thing you can't really see, I'll try to see if I can't get it in the dark in here so you can see, but the car actually has an illuminated step so it lights up the ground underneath. It also lights up underneath the door handles as you approach the car. Really nice features. Kind of taking a quick tour of the interior here. You'll notice that you do have power memory driver's seat and power passenger seat as well. Of course, you have telescopic steering wheel, all that type of good stuff. Go ahead and sitting down inside. Real nice big touchscreen radio. Of course, like I mentioned, this car does have heated seats as well. And those are going to be located just right here. That's the driver, passenger. Once again, dual climate control. Tons of options as far as drive modes. You can see your parking sensors. Speaking of parking sensors, let me show you. The car does have reverse. Guess I gotta close my door first. Let me do that. Okay, here we go. There we go. Real nice backup camera with the adjusting guidelines to kind of show you what your directed area. Of course, on the right hand side there you have your diagram, so if you're gonna hit something, it'll alert you. Alright, Jessica, that is gonna do it for this video. If you do have any other questions that I didn't answer, just make sure you drop a comment or just send a text to me back and I'll make sure I answer that for you. With that being said, thanks, and I look forward to hearing back from you.